Assalamualaikum students, this is Safad here from Al Murtaza School. As you all know that our chapter is integers, and today we are going to discuss the topic multiplication of integers. You all know that we have already done addition and subtraction, so today is a time to study about multiplication of integers. So let's again repeat rules of sign. You all know that there are four rules. Number one, plus plus plus, because both the signs are same. Minus minus plus, plus minus minus, and finally minus plus minus. Okay, now let's move towards the multiplication rule 1. Rule 1 is when there is sign in and outside of bracket, then apply rules of sign to remove bracket. मीन्स किसी भी ब्रैकेट के आपको अंदर और बाहर की तरफ दोनों तरफ अगर साइन नजर आ जाए देन यू हैव टू apply the rule and you have to remove bracket. For example, just look at the example. Okay, this one is the example that you can see. Here is minus outside and also inside. So what I have done, minus minus plus and 3 as it is, and I just remove the bracket. Example number 2, you can see 9 and plus inside and minus outside. What I have to do, I have to remove the bracket after applying the rule of sign. Minus plus minus 9 and I remove the bracket. Look at the example number 3. Okay, I have to apply the rule minus minus plus 7 and I have to remove the bracket. So this was the rule number 1, which was very easy. Rule number 2 of integers multiplication: always multiply sign with sign and digit with digit. For example, just look at here, minus 4 multiplied by minus 3. What you have to do, you just have to multiply sign with sign and number with number. Okay, so let's do it. Sign with sign, minus minus plus 4 3s are 12. Yani our answer is plus 12. Okay, correct. Look at here. Oh, there is no sign with 7. So if there is no sign, then what sign is present here? Yes, this is plus here. Okay, so let's apply the rule. Minus plus minus 2 sevens are 14. Correct. Okay, now just look at here. Okay, you can see here is no multiply sign but bracket. So this is the second form to write the multiplication questions कि आप multiply का sign नहीं लगाना चाहते, आप bracket में बंद कर दें एक number को. Okay, now apply the rule. Sign with sign. Minus minus plus 3 9s are 27. Correct. अब क्वेश्चन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मुश्किल होते चले जाएंगे. Just look at here, here is no sign with 8, so I have to write plus, then sign with sign. Plus minus minus 8 tens are 80. Okay, minus 80. Multiply with other operations means in this question you will see multiply sign as well as plus and minus signs, and you all know that plus minus के question में मैंने आपको ये बताया था, we always have to write the sign of ग्रेटर डिजिट. तो अब उस चीज़ का भी ख्याल रखना होगा और मल्टीप्लाई भी करना होगा. मल्टीप्लाई में हम ग्रेटर डिजिट और स्मॉलेस्ट डिजिट को नहीं देखते. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द हिंट? यू हैव टू फॉलो बोर्ड मैथ्स रूल्स. एग्जांपल नंबर 1. Okay, you can see the question here. What I have to do, what you have to do, you have to remove the bracket by applying the sign of rule, and you can see here is sign inside and outside. So I have to copy 3 as it is, minus minus plus 4, and I have to remove the bracket. Look at here, 3 minus minus plus 4 as it is. Okay, now you have to add simply 3 and 4 7. Example number 2. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to remove the bracket because inside and outside is minus sign. Minus minus plus 4, and I have to copy minus 5 as it is. Minus minus plus 4. Okay, now simple subtraction करनी है. Plus minus minus 5 में से 4 minus क्या, you will get 1, and you have to write the sign of greater digit. 5 was greater. मैंने बताया था ना कि अब इन क्वेश्चन में लास्ट स्टेप में बड़े और छोटे नंबर का भी ख्याल रखना होगा. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3. Okay, now I told you before that if a number is closed in bracket and second number is attached with it, it means they both numbers are multiplying. Because if you don't want to write multiply sign, you have to close one number in bracket. 3 6 are 18 minus 4 4 are 16. 18 minus 16, you will get 2. This was a very simple question. Example number 4. Okay, ये मैंने उससे ज़्यादा मुश्किल कर दी है. You have to multiply sign with sign and number with number. Minus minus plus 5 threes are 15. Okay, bracket removed. Sign with sign. Plus minus minus 3 ones are 3. Look at here. Minus minus plus 15 minus 3. Now you have to apply the steps of plus and minus questions. Plus minus minus 15 minus 3, you will get 12, and you have to write the sign of greater digit. Okay, 15 was greater, you have to write plus, but you all know that कि आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप प्लस का साइन हर दफ़ा लगाएं. Example number 5. Okay, now there are 3 numbers. What you have to do, you have to remove the bracket. 7 to the 14, minus minus plus, and you have to copy 4 as it is. Okay, now this is a very simple question. 14 and 3, 17, 17 and 4, 21. Example number 6. This is the last example and it will be quite difficult. Okay, you have to remove the bracket. 2 3s are 6. You have to write this minus in start. Okay, now sign with sign. Plus minus minus 4 1s are 4 and minus 2 as it is. Okay, you can say 2 3s are 6 minus and then applying the rule. Okay, now you have to do step by step. Okay, first of all, you have to solve these two numbers. Minus minus plus 6 and 4 plus हो क्या होगा 10, but you have to write the sign of greater number. 6 was greater, so with 10 I have to write minus plus 2 copy कर लिया as it is. Okay, last step, minus plus minus 10 में से 2 minus के you will get 8, but you have to write the sign minus because 10 was greater. तो अब आपने मल्टीप्लाई भी करना है और आखिरी के स्टेप्स में बड़े और छोटे डिजिट के साइन का ख्याल भी रखना है. Okay, class, I hope you all have understood today's lecture. So now let's move towards the worksheet. And inshallah, we will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.